Hello and welcome back to my garage. Today in the shop, the Peugeot 206. Yeah, we already did the O2 sensor a couple of weeks ago, but now we are going to do the rest. And let's start off easy, and that is with a door weather strip. This is just probably a reproduction. It looks the same as the original part, so it's not a universal kind of rubber. It is purposely made. The only thing what we maybe have to encounter is that this is for a 3-door and of course a 5-door car, so it probably has some little overlength, so we have to cut it off. But other than that, it should be an easy job, so I'm not going to bother with you too much about it, and let's install it on the car. Here we have of course the rubber, and it starts just here, so let's pull it out of there, and we are going to start there. And of course we want the rubber, the squishy rubber, to the outside. It is a little bit cramped, but what you want to do is just hammer it in there, and of course you want this lid to be on the carpet. And so we're going to do the whole car, or the whole door, the whole car. Be careful around the corners, or careful, just take some extra time for that, so it's really in there. Not that you're over here and see that you have got a little bit of a short stuff, then you have to do it all over again. And now I'm going to use some silicone some silicone spray on the rubber, just to give it a little bit of more of a fighting chance. And that's it. And there you have it, how to change your weather stripping on the door, of in this case of course the 206. Nothing too complicated, one on, one off. Of one off, one on, that's the better way to do it. And yeah, after that just a little bit of silicone on it, just to protect the new rubber. Yeah, just be sure that you put it right in the corner. That's something I well, in the past did not do, or well, run into, that I just cut the corner a little bit, yeah, and then you have to do it all over again. Other than that, of course, be careful with your interior. You don't want to get your fingerprints on there. Other than that, nothing too special. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it. If you did, please give it a like. If you want to follow me around, you know what to do, and I will see you next time. Bye.